Welcome to our thorough series on economic policy. So follow us as we cover a multitude of subjects in this domain. Let's begin. Economic policies are designed to address various goals such as promoting economic growth, controlling inflation, and reducing unemployment. These policies aim to stabilize prices, ensure full employment, and manage income distribution and trade balance. Economic policies play a crucial role in shaping the economic landscape of a country. By utilizing tools such as monetary policy, fiscal policy, and trade policy, governments can influence key economic indicators and steer the economy towards desired outcomes. It is essential for policymakers to carefully consider the pros and cons of each policy tool to ensure effective and sustainable economic growth. Fiscal policy refers to the use of government spending and taxation to influence the economy. It is used to achieve economic goals such as price stability, full employment, and economic growth. Government spending, taxation, and the budget deficit surplus are key components of fiscal policy. By adjusting these variables, policymakers can affect aggregate demand and overall economic activity. Let's go to the next topic. Monetary policy plays a crucial role in shaping the economic landscape of a country. It involves the management of money supply and interest rates to achieve economic objectives such as price stability, full employment, and sustainable growth. Central banks use a range of tools to implement monetary policy and influence economic conditions. Now let's proceed with the next slide. Trade policy is a set of rules and regulations that govern a country's international trade. It includes measures such as tariffs, quotas, subsidies, and trade agreements. These policies can have a significant impact on a nation's economy and its relationships with other countries. Trade policy is essential for protecting domestic industries, promoting economic growth, and ensuring fair competition in the global market. Governments use trade policy to regulate imports and exports, address trade imbalances, and negotiate trade deals with other nations. Regulatory policy plays a vital role in shaping the legal framework that governs various industries and activities. It aims to protect the interests of stakeholders, promote fair competition, and maintain societal order. Regulatory policies are dynamic and evolve in response to changing circumstances and emerging challenges. Effective regulatory policy requires collaboration between policymakers, industry experts, and the public to achieve desired outcomes. An industrial policy is a government's strategic effort to encourage the development and growth of the manufacturing sector in the country. It involves setting goals, providing incentives, and creating a conducive environment for industrial activities. Industrial policies aim to promote industrialization, boost economic growth, and create employment opportunities. Key components include infrastructure development, investment incentives, and a supportive regulatory framework. Implementation involves fiscal measures, trade policies, and sector-specific initiatives. Successful industrial policies can lead to increased productivity, technological advancement, and global competitiveness. Labor market policies play a crucial role in shaping the dynamics of employment and the economy. By implementing appropriate policies, governments can promote fair labor practices and reduce inequalities in the workforce. It is essential to continuously evaluate and update these policies to meet the evolving needs of the labor market. Social policy plays a crucial role in shaping the well-being of individuals and communities by addressing social issues through legislation and programs. It aims to create a more equitable society by providing support and resources to those in need. Key areas of social policy include poverty alleviation, healthcare access, education opportunities, and social welfare programs. By implementing effective social policies, governments can improve the quality of life for their citizens and promote social justice. Environmental policy plays a vital role in shaping how we interact with our surroundings. It guides decision-making processes to ensure that our actions do not harm the environment but rather contribute to its preservation for future generations. By establishing regulations and promoting sustainable practices, environmental policy aims to create a balance between human activities and the natural world, fostering a healthier planet for all living beings. The role of government in economic policy is crucial for maintaining stability and promoting growth in the economy. Through fiscal and monetary policies, as well as industry regulations, governments aim to create a favorable environment for businesses and individuals. By setting taxation levels, controlling money supply, and ensuring fair competition, governments can influence economic outcomes. It is essential for policymakers to strike a balance between intervention and free market forces to achieve sustainable economic development. Central banks are responsible for formulating and implementing monetary policies to achieve economic objectives. They regulate the money supply, interest rates, and inflation levels to maintain stability and foster growth. Additionally, central banks oversee the financial system to ensure its resilience and mitigate risks. Their actions impact various sectors of the economy, influencing borrowing costs, investment decisions, and overall economic performance. International organizations such as the IMF, World Bank, and TUDO play a significant role in influencing economic policies worldwide. They provide financial assistance, policy recommendations, and a platform for global economic cooperation. These organizations aim to promote economic stability, trade liberalization, and sustainable development. However, their interventions can sometimes be controversial, with critics questioning their effectiveness and impact on national sovereignty. Technology in economic policy refers to the use of digital tools and systems to analyze economic data, formulate policies, and monitor their impact. It has revolutionized the way governments and organizations approach economic decision-making. Key aspects include leveraging big data for insights, implementing predictive analytics for forecasting, and utilizing communication technologies for stakeholder engagement. However, challenges such as cybersecurity threats, ethical implications of AI, and disparities in technology access must be addressed to ensure inclusive and effective economic policies. Let's move forward with the next slide. Globalization plays a crucial role in shaping economic policies across the globe. It influences trade agreements, foreign investments, and economic development strategies. The interconnected nature of economies in a globalized world requires countries to adapt their policies to remain competitive and foster growth. Financial markets serve as the backbone of economic policy, shaping the allocation of resources, influencing investment decisions, and impacting overall economic growth. Market efficiency, regulatory frameworks, and government interventions all play vital roles in ensuring the stability and effectiveness of financial markets. Understanding the interplay between financial markets and economic policy is crucial for policymakers, investors, and the general public to navigate the complexities of the global financial system. Let's continue to the next topic. In the realm of economic policy, labor markets hold a significant position. They serve as the foundation for determining wages, employment levels, and the overall functioning of the workforce. The interaction between labor supply and demand, coupled with government interventions, shapes the dynamics of labor markets and influences economic outcomes. Productivity is a key factor in economic policy formulation. It influences decisions on resource allocation, investment priorities, and overall economic strategy. Understanding the role of productivity is essential for policymakers to design effective policies that drive economic growth and prosperity. Education plays a crucial role in shaping economic policy. It is the foundation for a skilled workforce, driving economic growth through increased productivity and innovation. Government investment in education is essentially an investment in the nation's human capital, leading to long-term prosperity and development. Okay, let's proceed to the next slide. Health plays a critical role in shaping economic policies and outcomes. By prioritizing healthcare investments and promoting economic policies are the strategies and measures adopted by governments to manage economic activities and achieve specific goals. These policies can include fiscal policy, monetary policy, trade policy, and more. Understanding real-world examples of economic policy can provide insights into how countries address economic challenges and opportunities. By analyzing the economic policies implemented in different countries, we can learn about the impact of these policies on various aspects such as employment, inflation, economic growth, and international trade. The future of economic policy is crucial for shaping the global economy, as we face challenges such as globalization, income inequality, and technological disruption. Finding solutions through economic diversification, education, and policy innovation is essential. These efforts will have impacts on job creation, social stability, and environmental sustainability. In wrapping up, we've discussed significant concepts in this unit. We hope this makes some of the key concepts easier to understand.